Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix this type of error your purchase could not be completed. So guys, if you try to purchase app from App Store and you're facing this type of error your purchase could not be completed, then I'll show you how can you fix this type of error. First of all guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to close this page. And after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to open settings, and from here you have to tap on your Apple ID, then you have to scroll it down and just simply have to sign out your Apple ID. So once you have done this guys, after that you have to turn off your device at least for the 60 seconds and then turn it on again, and just simply you have to sign in your Apple ID again, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. And if once it's there guys, then what you need to do is just simply you have to open settings again. So from here guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to go to screen time, and from here you have to scroll it down and just simply have to tap on content and privacy restrictions. Now from here you have to tap on iTunes and App Store purchases. So from here guys, if it's check on don't require, just simply have to check on always require. Make sure that it's check on always required, and after that check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then what you need to do is just simply have to open settings again, then tap on your Apple ID banner again, just simply you have to tap on media and purchases, then tap on view account. Now wait some second from here guys. Now from here guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to go to purchase history and make sure that you don't have any unpaid subscription here. If you have, just simply paid it or remove for that. Okay guys, and after that you have to tap on change country or region. So from here you have to wait some second. Now tap on change country or region again, and just simply have to select your country name, and from here you have to wait some second again, and here are the terms and conditions, so you have to read it carefully. Tap on agree. If you're agree, then again tap on agree. Now wait some seconds and just simply you have to put your payment method here, and here you have to put the required information, and here you have to put the billing address. So once you have done this guys, after that you have to tap on next, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.